In this video, I'll be showing you how to install YouTube on a PC or laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do this. However, to do this, you are going to need to use Google Chrome. So if you haven't downloaded it already, if you're using Microsoft Edge or anything like that, you can just download Google Chrome from there. And then all we want to do is open up YouTube. So I'm going to go to the top right where it has Google Apps and then just open up YouTube. Obviously open it up however you want. And it's going to look something like this. You can be signed in, but you don't have to be if you don't want to. Then from here on the top right, go ahead and click on these three little dots. You're going to see a lot of options, but go over to cast, save, and share. Once you go ahead and click on that, you're going to see install YouTube as one of the options. So all you got to do is click on it and it's going to say install app, youtube.com. Then just go ahead and press the install button right there. And now, as you can see, it's its own application and it's going to look like this. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. If you ever want to uninstall it, you can uninstall it from here as well by pressing these three little dots. And if you ever want to open it as a website again, just press open in Chrome and it's going to open like that again. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.